Everyone seems obsessed with this Korean rice mask, so I am giving it a shot. Let's begin. Take 1 tablespoon of rice flour. It helps gently exfoliate the skin and can leave it looking smoother and brighter. Next, add milk. Milk contains lactic acid which helps remove dead skin cells while keeping the skin soft and hydrated. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey, a natural moisturizer that helps lock in hydration and gives the skin healthy glow. Now mix everything together until you get a smooth lump-free paste. If the mixture feels too thick, simply add a little more milk until you reach the right consistency. Apply an even layer to clean skin and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it dries, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Gently pat your skin dry. Would you try this Korean rice face mask? Let me know in the comment and don't forget to follow for more simple DIY skincare recipes. After applying this face mask, you need to scrub your face a little to unlock that glow. Thanks for watching.